back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set up triggers and actions in IFTTT. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to set up triggers and action in IFTTT, then all you gotta do is simply go to the home page. Once you're in your home page, you need to simply tap on create. Once you tap on create, you need to then select your triggers on the service called if this. After configuring the trigger, click on the then that section to choose and configure your action service. Finally, click on the finish to complete the new applet. Now, you need to simply basically start the applet, set up the trigger of if this, set up the action of then that, and finish the applet. And once you're done, you will be able to set up triggers and action in IFTTT. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.